Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finally be doing a house tour. I know a lot of people were interested in this when I said that I wanted to do one. So I figured I'd give you guys a tour of my house finally. We basically have everything that we need. We've been here almost a year, so I think everything is set up to how we want. We live, don't mind that, that is Bear playing with a toy. We live on base. My husband is in the military, so we have a house that is on base, which is very nice and convenient, so I like it. I don't mind it. We live in one of the older houses on base, like in one of the older neighborhoods. Some people don't really like them, but honestly I've never had an issue with it. We've been here almost a year, like I said, and I really like how it is. This is our first house. I feel like it's very open for us, and I mean it's just me, him, and our dog. So I figured it's a cold winter day. It was just snowing. It was like 10 degrees below zero before when I checked. So I don't know what it is outside right now, but I figured I would take you guys on a tour of our house. It's clean, so I figured today is a perfect day to do it. So if you want to see this military on-base housing tour, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first walk into my house. This is our entryway, and I have some pictures up on the wall here. And a lot of this stuff, I will tell you where I got it. This is our entry piece here, and I will get you guys like zoomed in on everything as well. But this is our entryway. We have some signs here. These were found at the middle ones my parents bought us. Those are like Air Force signs. And yes, don't mind this. It is a little crooked. I can't get it to stay straight. But those are two military signs. Then the two on either side are from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then this is our entry piece down here. I have a little candy bowl here I keep mints in. That is from TJ Maxx. This I actually got from my neighbor. She did not want it anymore, and I thought that was really cute. And that lamp is from Target. I got a picture frame from TJ Maxx, and I have some cute little, I don't have it all full yet, but I have some little angels here from my grandma. Picture frame of Bear, and some candles, and just like little decor items. And the entry piece itself is from Ross. And then you can see down the hallway, that is my living room there, but when you walk in to the right is our kitchen. So we've got our fridge here, your standard fridge. Then over here we have an island. I am also making dinner right now. And we have lots and lots of cabinet space, which is really, really nice. And this is our kitchen area. It is a little bit older, but like I said, I honestly do not mind at all. I love the space that we have. There's so many cabinets. They go all the way around the fridge. And that is what it looks like over there, because that is the entrance to the kitchen from the door. And down here, there's lots and lots of space. Like I said, we have all of our cleaning supplies down there. For the kitchen, we have a dishwasher, which is very nice and convenient. I love that. This is our counter space next to the sink. Got our Keurig coffee pot. And then this is our gas stove. Let me tell you, it took me a while to get used to a gas stove, because back home we have an electric stove. And it took me a little bit to get used to. And then in here, like, look at the cabinet space. It is huge. In here are all of our spices and cooking stuff. I just think that it is so convenient. It is just huge. This is my favorite part. This is where I keep all my pots and pans, but this comes out. All of these cabinets have drawers that come out of them. That one does, that one does, all three of those do. It is just so nice and convenient. So I love that it has cabinet space. Okay, Okay, so that is our kitchen, which is very nice and spacious. I really do like it, and I love that it has an island here, and it's just really convenient for space and things like that. Like, I could cook and cut things up on this counter and not have to get in the way of the stove or anything over here. It is just super nice. I like how open it is. And then you come around here, we have the garage door, which is there. We have a little calendar here on the wall. Just your standard garage. Cars in there. Yes. Don't have to show you that. I'm not going anywhere. And then over on this side of the island, we have 2 bar stools. Those both we got from a store that is out here, and it is called FFO. I don't know if that is everywhere. I've never seen it back on the East Coast. So I do have 2 bar stools here, which is nice for extra space for seating. And then we come around this way, and we have the dining room area. Love, love, love my table. We have a little runner rug underneath just to add some more character to the space. I was going to put it somewhere else, but we ended up putting it here, and I do like how it looks and how it turned out. This table is actually from a marketplace slash furniture store here in this area. It was about 10 minutes from base, and we just fell in love with it. I love it. It's all wood. It is black with like a grayish brown tone to it. I will give you guys a slow motion view of it. And you will notice that my theme is like neutrals, but I love all the gray tones with blacks and whites and things like that. So you will notice that throughout the house, that is basically what I have going on here. So like I said, this is our dining room table. We love that it has 6 chairs. It is convenient for guests. I mean, we don't have guests often, but it's nice to have in the space, and it is a long rectangle shaped table, and it fits just so well on this side. I'm sure everybody sets up their house different, but I feel like it just fits so well. So like I said, we've got a lamp on over there in the corner. That is from Target. I do have some fake flowers on the table, and those are just from the Dollar Tree inside a vase. Got the napkin holder. The placemats are from, I do not remember. I think the gray ones on the ends were from TJ Maxx or possibly Walmart. The placemats, I don't remember. Big Lots or TJ Maxx also, I really don't remember. And then over here we have Bear's little corner. He's got his food and water bowl. He's got a cute little sign here that we have for him. The journey of life is sweeter when traveled with a dog, of course. And then we also have here our water machine. It's got 2 settings for cold and then hot water. We've got our basket for all of our paperwork and stuff, and we just keep that in the corner of the dining room. We have got a pretty little sign over here. This is from Hobby Lobby, and I just thought it went so well in the space. We have our clock here, which is also from Hobby Lobby, and so is this sign. And I thought these signs just worked so well in this area for the dining room. It just went so well with eating and sitting together. So that is the dining room. And then as we come around, we have our back door. We installed these curtains. These were from Walmart, and we installed this sliding curtain just because we wanted more privacy at night and things like that. So this is our back door, and it goes out into our backyard. If you'd like to see our winter wonderland today, we got some snow. But this is our backyard, which I think is very spacious and nice. I mean, Bear's a small dog, but I think it is very nice. All right, so now that you have seen on the right-hand side the dining room area and the door to the backyard, we now move on to the living room. We had set it up this way just to kind of divide the 2 spaces so you can clearly see that this is the dining room and this is the living room. So that, really? So that is what we did there, and we have a nice area to walk through, get outside and things like that. So this is our living room area, and we really like how we set this up. It was kind of confusing on how to set everything up, I can say that. So when we did decide, we wanted to go with like a sectional, but when we decided to do the couch and the oversized chair with the ottoman, it seemed better at the time. We might end up getting a new couch. You live and you learn. This couch is not as, I guess, well made as we thought it was going to be. It is good, it's nice, but as you can see, it's already starting to sag in some areas. But like I said, that is for another time. But this is our little end table here that we have. I kind of have the gray and the grayish brown wood going on here. Same thing like the dining room table. And then this is the couch. It's also gray. I've got just some throw blankets, some throw pillows. These pillows came with the couch, but I put black covers over them because I did not like the pillows themselves. And the other pillows are from HomeGoods, and I added those in there. And then on this side, you have the ottoman and the oversized chair with a little end table, and then we've got Dan's little pictures on here from basic training, and it's just nice, the oversized chair. It's not a recliner or anything, but it's just nice. In the ottoman, you can move around the whole floor. And then our area rug is from Ross. The couch, ottoman, and oversized chair are also from that FFO store, so we did get all of that there as well. And I have this cute little frame. As you can see, we are obsessed with our dog. And then this is the wall where the TV is. I don't know if you guys, there we go. This is the wall where the TV is, and Bear has his own little spot. Yes, he has clothes, he has a jacket, he has a sweatshirt. That's where his harness and his leash go. And then we have our little like entertainment console thing here. That is from Hobby Lobby. It just has two little drawers. Dan has his Xbox and his PlayStation 4 there. We have our pet camera. I've got a little melted wax pot thing there for just some scent, and it looks pretty. Then there's Bear's little corner with his dog bed and his toys, and then our TV. And then on this side we just have some picture frames. Those are from Target and Hobby Lobby, and we just have those on the wall there. So yeah, this is an overview of the living room area. And like I said, I really love how open this space is. So, I don't know, I have no complaints about this house whatsoever. I love the hardwood floors, super easy to clean, it looks nice and shiny when it is. So, I mean, I love the open space. Everything is one big room, but yet it still feels divided and spaced out enough so that you can clearly see everything laid out. Like I said, it is an older house. As you can see, the cabinets and things like that are older, but it's white, it's plain. It does not bother me whatsoever. So that is the beginning of the house. Then we go down the hall. We have a coat closet here. Just have some games, junk, and our coats inside this closet. This is like the boiler heater stuff, things like that. We don't really open that. That's in there. And then we have the bathroom. Same type of cabinets in here as there are in the kitchen. I do like pineapples if you don't know already. So our bathroom has some pineapples in it. And like I said, all gray, things like that. Super simple, easy, everything matches. But this is our bathroom, has nice big mirrors. Space over the toilet for toilet paper, washcloths, things like that. Super convenient. And then in here we have the linen closet, blankets, towels, things like that. Extra storage, which I think is really nice. That all is inside that closet. I just have some cute little signs on the wall as we walk down the hallway. And then we have my beauty room slash spare bedroom. There's our gate for Bear. But we do have a TV on the wall. There is a closet in here. Dan keeps all of his uniforms and stuff like that inside there. We have a nice big window in here, which I really do like. You can see outside. And then we have our little end table here with a little lamp, clock, and the spare bedroom bed. Very simple, just white and black, and Bear. And I have one picture on the wall for now. That is from back home, and I brought it here and I thought it looked good in the in this room. And there really isn't a whole lot more on the walls or anything. And then I have my vanity space where I film, do my makeup. I have added more since you guys have seen my vanity tour. So I did add twinkly lights, some more signs, but this is my vanity space. You guys have seen that already, and I will link my video down below if you have not. And then once we get out of the spare bedroom, we do have another closet here. This is one of the bigger closets. I'm not opening that because it's kind of messy. Our shoes and my purses and stuff and things like that are inside there. And then let me turn this light on. And then this is our laundry room, like any other ordinary laundry room. We've got our washer, our dryer. I am currently doing laundry as we speak, and I keep all the soaps and things like that there. I do have some more shelving over here for cleaning stuff and the vacuum that I use on the couches. But yes, that is our laundry room. Found that. And then this is our bedroom. I love our bedroom. It is super cozy. Let me turn the light on for you guys so you can see. But all the rugs are the same, which it's just neutral tannish, like cream color. Doesn't bother me at all. I like it. It's very neutral. And this is my side of the room. We've got this tall mirror here that we got at Walmart. I have this little fuzzy area rug that is from Hobby Lobby. And then we have the end tables, which are from IKEA, along with the lamps. And then this is our bed. As you can see, Bear just does what he wants. I forgot what I was saying. I stopped recording for a second. The comforter is from Bed Bath & Beyond. This little blanket is from Home Goods. That is Bear's bone. And the bed frame is from Wayfair. And then we just have the throw pillows and then our pillows on the bed. Over here we have our TV, along with the router for Wi-Fi, things like that. They wanted to put it out in the kitchen and I was like, absolutely not. That is too much. Leave it here. So we put it in here, just on a little shelf. We do have another nice big window in our bedroom, which looks out into the backyard. And this is Dan's side of the bed. Same end table, same lamp. He's just got some military coins on the bottom, his charging station for his phone. And then this is what the front side of our bed looks like. We have got 4 canvas pictures that we got done in Mexico. Me and Dan actually framed those ourselves. We made the wooden canvas frames ourselves. Got the wood and stuff at Home Depot. And then they had printed the canvas pictures for us. So this is what our bedroom looks like. Okay, I'm going to end my video here. My camera had died, so I had to charge it a little bit, so I'm sitting at my vanity right now. So I'm going to end the video, and that is really all that I have left to show you guys. I'm going to insert some pictures of the outside because it is too cold outside, and I ain't going out there right now. So I'll insert some pictures that I have from nicer weather so you can see the front of our house and what it looks like. They're like duplexes, so we're attached to our neighbors. So there's 2 houses attached, then there's 2 more houses. Like it's every 2 houses. It's like kind of like condos, but not really because you still get a whole house. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you. I know a lot of people are always interested in what like military housing is like. And to be honest, it's just like regular living. I mean, I don't feel any different. I mean, I am just kind of, it's like a gated community type thing, but I don't feel any different. It feels like the same thing to me, like back home. It's just in your regular type of neighborhood. So I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys, and let me know if there's anything I should add to my home or change or do differently. I don't know. Give me some ideas down below if you guys have any. And let me know if you guys have any military videos that you've posted. I love watching all these different types of videos. Alright, I'm done rambling, but yes, thank you so much for watching this military housing tour, and until next time, I will see you all later. Bye!